Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's market review. Today is Tuesday, February 7th. It's just after 5 p.m. Central. I'm going to look at the US dollar, the pound, S&P, Nasdaq, oil, and natural gas. So let's get started. All right, this is 1 hour chart of the US dollar. So I've got 5 ways up here for an impulse. So I'm expecting some type of correction here. Now, if they stay just within this purple box here, so 102.77, if they don't go much lower than that and then head up, I'm thinking that they might still be going to head this thing back down to break the low. So not until this 105.63 level is taken out, we can't confirm that this fifth wave is done. So far we only have, we have 3 waves, but this could be another 1, 2, 3, and that'd be 2, and then we're coming down for 3, 4, and 5. So if you're a bull, you definitely want to see this correction to come down a little bit lower, because that'll give you a better chance of breaking this 105.63 level. So keep an area on this. There's going to be a correction after this impulse. Just a matter of, is it going to be shallow or deeper to give it more power to get up here. Pound, pretty much the same thing. So got this impulse down here, and I see the same thing, that they stay within this range. They already got into this 120.66 level. If they stay, don't go much above 121.32, it could just be come break the low and then reverse back up. It'd just be a big correction, deep correction for this 5-wave move up. So keep an eye on this area. Obviously, if they break this 118.41 level, then that negates this 5-wave move is done. But keep an eye on this area. That'll tell us what they plan on doing. S&P. All right, so markets got real volatile today when Powell spoke. A lot more volatility than I was expecting. He didn't really say a whole lot more, give any other insight into, or nothing different than what he said on last Wednesday during FOMC. So, but the markets reacted a lot. Now the pattern still played out. They just played out really fast, and that caused the straight down, straight up, straight down type of move. So what I see, go out to 2 hour here, is from down here, got this running flat 1, 2. This came up for 3. I believe that they came down here today, and that was 4, and now they're going to go up and break this 42.0850 level for 5. So I'm going to zoom in here. So had this strong, after 4 was set, strong move up. Now I expect some type of correction here. Shallow or deep, it doesn't really matter. But I believe any correction should be bought, because I believe we're going up to break the top. Nasdaq. All right, so the Nasdaq, it didn't break its low. They came real close, like within just a few points. So I think what this ended up being was just a 1, 2, 3 quicker correction, and then they're starting up now. So there should be some type of correction, and then up to break this top one more time. Oil. Okay, so after they set this low yesterday of 72.25, so far we got 3 ways up, and it's right in a critical zone here. So if I zoom out here, bulls are going to look at this and say, okay, this was 1, this was 2, and that was 3. And then we came down here, 1, 2, and then 5 waves just ended yesterday for 3. So they're going to say that that's 1, that's 2, and now we're going up 1, 2, and 3 to break this top. Now, obviously, this is going to be a crucial area for them to get above. But if they do, if they get above 70, 78, 68, I think the chances of them breaking the top are real good. Bears obviously are looking at this going, no, this was just a correction. This is 1, 2, 3. That's 1. We need 3 ways up, right up to here. That'd be 2, and then they'll come down in 3 for 3, go up 4, and then down for 5. It's 5 ways would be coming down. Whether they break the low on the 3rd wave or the 5th wave, it doesn't matter. So keep an eye on this area. This, I would think if they're taking this down lower, that it's going to reverse pretty much like tonight or tomorrow. You have a big downdraft. And if that happens, then we're definitely taking out this low. But if they're able to just correct right up in here and then push higher, then I think we're going up one more time. And natural gas. All right, so I moved the kind of like what I consider like the crucial level to be broken down here now. It's at 278. Once this gets taken out, then this entire 5-wave move is done. But we can't confirm that yet. So not until that level gets taken out, we don't know yet. Now, so far I see, it looks to me like they're in the process of, well, we got 1, 2, and 3. So now that could be all the correction, and then we go down one more time. If they're able to hold this like 255 to 251 level, I believe that they're in the process then of making a leading diagonal. So this 1, 2, 3, that'd be 1, come down here for 2, go up here for 3, pull back for 4, and then go up for 5. Now they might break it, but they might be creating a leading diagonal, and then that gives a good indication that the low might be in then. So this area right here is crucial. The farther this falls, if they do push it down here, then it looks like we might have one more leg lower. But if price remains up here and they push up higher, especially if they break this 2615 level, if they break that again, it's going to give stronger reading that they're creating a leading diagonal, and we should be taking that out. So keep an eye on this area. That'll be crucial to hold, and then the higher we can get, breaking that 278 will be very important. All right, that's what I've got. Let me know of any comments or questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck.